Snowball the bunny and I are so happy to see you again. Hello bunnies, how are you? How are you? Happy to be with you, happy to be with you. Let's begin, let's begin. Hello to Abe, Ada, Adeline, and Nandi, Andrew, Calvin, Dawson, Diana, Edie, Elliot, Ellie, Eloise, Emmett, Emily, Genevieve, Gideon, Graham, Hayden, Henry, Ichito, Isaac, Irving, Jacob, Layla, Linux, Maddie, Mac, Mayrob, Miles, Mohan, Olive, Oscar, Penny, Nairi, Nora, Rudy, Sasha, Savan, Shayna, Teddy, Theodore, Thomas, Weston, Willa, and hello to all our friends watching today. Would you like to blow a kiss to Snowball? Mwah! Thank you. And now, are you ready for our Snowball rhyme? Bunny, 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 you're so funny with your twitching nose. Bunny, 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 you're so funny from your head to your toes. Bunny, 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 your ears are funny. They're too big for you. Bunny, 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 you're so funny. Everyone loves you. Very good. Well, there are a lot of holidays coming up, and many people celebrate by making cookies. Snowball and I are eager to make some cookies too. Now, as you know from our diversity episode, Snowball is a vegan. So we're going to make, and all rabbits are vegan, we're going to make vegan sugar cookies. We're going to sing a song while we do it. So I'd like to show you some hand motions that you can use while we bake. First, before we even get started, we wash our hands. Can you wash your hands? Scrub them, scrub them, scrub them. Tops, bottoms, between the fingers. Very good. Wash those hands. Next, we're going to measure and sift the flour. Can you shake? Shake like this, like you're sifting some flour. Very good. Next, we mix the dough. So pretend you have a big spoon. Mix the dough in the bowl, around and around and around. Great. Now we take our rolling pin and we roll out the dough so it's nice and flat. Roll your dough. Well done. Then we take a cookie cutter and we cut the shapes on our dough. Can you cut some shapes? That's right, press that cookie cutter into the dough to cut the shapes. Then we put those cookies on a baking tray and put them in the oven. That's the part that your grown-up will do. The oven is very hot. This is the sign for hot. So can you do that? The hot sign? Hot. We don't go near the oven. It's very, very hot. When the cookies are cool, we get to do the fun part. We get to eat the cookies. Eat those cookies. You can put frosting on them first if you wish. Snowball's going to do a little bit of frosting of her cookies. Are you ready to sing? Remember to do your hand motions while we sing. Remember, the first thing we're going to do is wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands so they'll be nice and clean. Measure and sift. This is the way we measure and sift, measure and sift, measure and sift. pin. We're gonna roll. This is the way we roll the dough, roll the dough, roll the dough. This is the way we roll the dough until it's flat and thin. Choose your cookie cutters. It's time to cut our shapes. This is the way we cut the shapes, cut the shapes, cut the shapes. This is the way we cut the shapes and place them on the pan. Okay, get your hot sign ready because we're going to put them in the oven so they can bake. This is the way we bake the cookies, bake the cookies, bake the cookies. This is the way we bake the cookies until they're golden brown. Are they done? I think they are. This is the way we eat the cookies, eat the cookies, eat the cookies. This is the way we eat the cookies until they are all gone. Very good. I hope you had fun making cookies. I know Snowball and I did. If you'd like to look for a nice book about baking, Snowball and I like Mr. Cookie Baker by Monica Wellington. You may find it at our library. And now it's time to say goodbye to Snowball for now, but we'll see you soon. Goodbye, bunnies, goodbye, bunnies. See you soon, see you soon. Thanks for being with us, thanks for being with us. Come back soon, come back soon. Goodbye, everyone.
We're dear old pals.